Writing Our World does 3 things with fidelity. It gives teachers their time back. It gives instructors confidence that what they're teaching actually works. And it gives students the ability to write with clarity, confidence, and joy. If you teach writing and you feel stretched thin, or unsure if your instruction is sticking, or exhausted from constantly reinventing lessons, then this was built for you. Most writing teachers don't struggle because they don't care or don't know enough. They struggle because writing is really hard to teach well, and the planning burden is enormous. You're expected to scaffold, differentiate, support struggling writers, track progress, and still make writing meaningful and engaging. That usually means hours of prep, constant adjustments, and lingering doubt about whether your scope and sequence is actually getting students where they need to go. Writing Our World removes that burden. Writing Our World is a fully structured, step-by-step writing curriculum for grades 3 and up. It is comprehensive, scaffolded, and designed to be taught in only about 15 minutes a day. The scope and sequence is already built. The lessons are already written. The instruction, practice, and assessment are already aligned. Instead of spending your time creating and revising materials, you can spend your time teaching, confident that the system is doing the heavy lifting. Writing Our World starts at the sentence level and builds skills intentionally, step by step. Students always know what to do, how to do it, and how to keep moving forward. For teachers, that means less planning, less second guessing, less scrambling to fill gaps. You're no longer wondering if you skipped something important or if you'll have to backtrack later. You're working within a scope and sequence that is designed to move struggling writers from A to Z clearly and effectively. That confidence matters. Whether you're teaching in a classroom, tutoring privately, homeschooling, or reporting to administrators or parents. For students, Writing Our World changes how writing feels. Instead of staring at a blank page, they have structure. Instead of shutting down, they have a starting point. Writing Our World is grounded in shared global geography content, so students aren't inventing ideas from nothing. They're writing about something concrete and meaningful. They learn academic vocabulary explicitly, they learn routines that help them organize their thinking, and they are taught how to use assistive technology and AI tools as supports, not shortcuts, so that they can sustain effort and express themselves more confidently. Over time, students don't just improve their writing, they begin to trust themselves as writers. Writing Our World was built by specialists who work every day with struggling writers. The instruction is explicit, the routines are consistent, the pacing is realistic. It is grounded in the science of reading and writing and designed to support students with dyslexia, dysgraphia, ADHD, and other learning differences, while still being effective for all learners. This is not a collection of ideas or strategies. It is a complete system that works because it is structured, intentional, and repeatable. When you join Writing Our World, you get full access to the curriculum inside Kajabi, including over 100 structured lessons organized into clear steps, printable student worksheets for every lesson, printable anchor charts to support key routines, pre- and post-assessments with scoring rubrics included, progress monitoring free writes with skill-based rubrics, ready-to-use slide decks for every lesson with teacher notes built in already. Everything is designed to work together, so you're not piecing together a program from multiple sources. If you are a writing teacher or English teacher responsible for teaching writing as a core subject, Writing Our World was built for you. It's also a strong fit if you are an intervention specialist or MTSS instructor, a special education teacher supporting struggling writers, a tutor working one-on-one or in small groups, or a homeschool parent teaching writing at home. If you want a system that saves time, builds professional confidence, and truly supports struggling writers, this program delivers. Writing changes everything. It gives students a way to express who they are and what they think. It gives teachers the confidence that their instruction is sound. And it gives time back to educators who are already carrying too much. Writing Our World was built to do all 3. If you want to explore this approach, you can start with the starter access. If you're ready for a complete, proven system, the Writing Our World membership gives you everything you need to get started right away. We're really glad you're here, and we can't wait to see what your students will write.